What do you think about Elephant Island?
Hawaii 50 years ago. That's pretty much the best way I can describe it. A smaller Hawaii, that's for sure. You get there and it's like a bunch of touristy places, and then you drive farther and you see like more of the locals where they live. But the beaches were beautiful. We were at our hotel restaurant, and it's like right on the beach, which is beautiful. And Kira was the one that pointed it out, I think. And she was like, "Oh, there's an elephant." She said it like so like calmly. I was like, "Oh, there's an elephant." And everybody in the restaurant was like, "Oh my gosh," getting their phones out.
There's a wild elephant right behind us. I just walked up to the beach.
And there was like this nature wildlife guy. I guess he was like following it to make sure it was safe. And the elephant just made its way down into the ocean. It did like a little back rollover. It was playing with its trunk. Yeah, it was really cool. It was something that
You said it was like a little puppy.
Yeah, it was like a little puppy. It's
Like
just
a giant
crazy
puppy.
to see. Yeah. That's something you don't see in America. No matter where you go. So that was definitely an experience.